So we've just come out of the main keynote and oh my god, I don't know where to start.
Yeah, we're going to photograph your camera roll.
So I'm here at the Disney Concert Hall. This is an iconic location because what we're doing here today, we're actually hosting our APAC guests, people who have traveled from all over Asia Pacific. We've got a little bit of Adobe Express activation happening. And we are hosting them here. It's an incredible event, an incredible venue. I think it's going to be fantastic. If there's one thing that I love the most about coming to Adobe MAX, it's connecting with my fellow colleagues from all over the other regions. To be able to learn from them, to get inspired. People come here to take classes. To learn from Adobe experts. To print t-shirts. To get badges.
Everyone comes here for the merch, look at that.
I got too many of these. To go to the merch store.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
And of course, the incredible keynote.
Hello and welcome to Max.
Don't mind me.
Really fun. For everyone that says print is dead, get one of these in your hot little hand.
We're at Max, so excited!
Hey Sarah,
Hey Chris.
what did you think?
Oh my god, amazing. I'm obsessed with Express. I can't wait for everyone in every organization to get connected.
I know.
Get your marketers working with your designers. It's going to be amazing.
I love what you just said there. Obsessed with Express.
Obsessed with Express.
The vibe here is insane. People pouring out of the Peacock Theatre. We're about to go into the community pavilion. I mean, it's all happening. Okay, so a couple of things. First of all, text to video.
Like text to video, which is going to enable you to create a realistic and stylized video clip.
I mean, wow. But even more wow, image to video.
Which enables you to take the static image you generated and use that as a reference image to generate a video clip.
That is going to be incredible. Train your own model from Firefly.
We're going to empower you to easily train a private model extension or a set of private model extensions for yourself or your company so that you can capture the style, the brand, or the content that you typically generate.
There's just so much more to talk about. I still don't know where to start. Because you simply cannot come to Max and not be inspired.
So my job is to figure out what those needs are and then figure out, okay, what does that look like from an instructional experience?
Supporting editors learning how to edit and produce creative work. And actually, I often consult on future and emerging technologies, whether it's artificial intelligence, autonomous robotics, novel materials, socioeconomic development, that sort of thing.
When you try to put those other effects on it, things sound tinny, the voice doesn't sound right. That's what I think amazes me the most about it, is that it removes everything, but the voice still sounds super great.